What's the word to Mr. Boy Type Dance, aka the reaction boss on a back in effect with another video for you guys. You feel me? A song from Likkle Addi. The song is called Rich for Real. Now I have a question. Likkle Addi and Likkle Vibes, right? Why all on a song? No, not all on a song. I'm busy messing the shout out to make up myself. But why most of our songs, bro? Especially recently for Likkle Vibes specifically. Rich again, rich alpha. Oh, look at Addi jump on the train, right? With Rich. Yeah. It's a Rich FR. Rich official video. Let's see what's going on. We're here for the females. We're here for the vibes. I mean, the girls, the vibes. We call them the females, the energy. As usual. Still. Let's go. Let's talk in here. Let's go. Oh, I'm live on Twitch right now, reacting to music, random music, and I post them directly to YouTube. So, Twitch is pinned down below in the comment section. Or follow me on Twitch. Recommend a song I react to, anything I recommend in the comment section. So, right now we got Likkle Addi. For real. Let's get to it. So I'll go on. Run tune. Run it. Uptown guys, big up yourself. See them things that will go on. You see your mama take up around us, sir? Wanna say what go on? You're going through.
Friday money call me answer quick. Hustle hard son a boy can't sponsor me. Me diva tree talk you a girl gossip. In a pocket where the bands are fit.
The man say yo, Friday money call him a go answer quick. The man say yo, him hustle hard son a boy can't sponsor. We not beg no sponsor like a booby night. One of them you tell man, hold on. Hustle hard son a boy can't sponsor with youth. We also hard for money. We work hard for this youth. You work hard for money. You can't sponsor we. Listen.
Me diva tree talk you a girl. Hustle hard son a boy can't sponsor me. Me diva tree talk you a girl gossip. In a pocket where the bands are fit. Fully rich.
Bro guys say yo, he doesn't even talk a lot. He don't talk a lot. You feel me? The man say he don't talk a lot. A girl alone gossip. Woman alone gossip. What's up, Ray? What's up, baby? The man say yo, we don't talk a lot. A woman alone gossip. Man no chat. Oh my gosh, let's go.
Where the bands are fit, fully rich from me born. I fax me chat, you smell the scent. I catch me dark, Gucci on me feet. He match me top, me rich for real. No ask me that rich from me born. I fax me chat, you smell the scent.
Boom boom fatty, all them things yeah. No sir. No sir.
Rich from me born. I fax me chat, you smell the scent. I catch me dark, Gucci on me feet. He match me top, me rich for real. No cap me dog. Also when me want never take a loan. Find a friend or enemy, the pussy them a foe. Lucky in with a bad bitch, so me prefer room. No man to me thing, wanna try find another zone.
You hear that? Lucky with a bad bitch, I saw him roll. No man to him thing, when you go find another zone, go find something that's doing on the time you. No come run me with that. Straight woman and money dog I pray. Run tune.
Money make a road, money make a tour. Money make a take a life and sell a soul. Never bound for the cheddar as a step a grow. Under my energy in another zone. From me born, I fax me chat. You smell the scent, I catch me dog.
Hey my boy, you're trouble, you know. See the way them call Likkle Vibes are trouble, you know. You understand? Oh, look at them more pretty than you, you know. Cause you're trouble, you know. Right, but run tune.
Listen, I catch me dark, Gucci on me feet. He match me top, me rich for real. No ask me that rich from me born. I fax me chat, you smell the scent. I catch me dark, Gucci on me feet. He match me top, me rich for real. No cap me. Yo, how which black, how which man son me in? Girl a lick cock, she understand pon the dick. Twin sister, me fuck them one time my skill. Full of gas.
Crack twins. Like we're asking all the real, you know, the gals them, all the niggas that get girls. I ever cracked a twin before? Just asking. I've never done such delightful things before in my life, but I was asking, you know. Yeah, let's go though.
One time my skill, full of cash like Swiss bank, me run sack the brinks. Running up the money, so I constantly fit. She blocking, I'm a bitch bag, a bad man she dig. I'm in hard, me spend that pan image. Even mention the cube and the watch pan my wrist. From me born, I fax me chat, you smell the scent. I catch me down, Gucci on me feet. He match me top, me rich for real. No ask me that bitch, from me born. fox me chat, yes, smelly scent. I catch me dog, Gucci on me feet. He match me top, me rich for real. No cat me dog.
Hey, every time, listen, it's when you have on headphones, people, and you react to some music or some songs, you feel like you're the best artist in the world. You're the best vocals. No, sir. Yo, the family. Wow, hey. Rich from me, man, ask me now. We rich for real. Alright. But listen, mad thing. It's a vibe. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a vibe. It's a good choice. We're gonna drop this video right now for you. So if you are watching this video on YouTube right now, I'm live on Twitch. The link is pinned down below in the comment section. Go follow me over there. We're trying to hit like 1. You see what we got on YouTube already. We're trying to hit 100K. We are 63 right now. We're trying to hit 100K. Keep liking, keep sharing. Stop it with the yard, man. Help a little Jamaican man. That's it. Until next time, I'll see another video. Come on.